how long do they want this to be cut? What the heck? Oh my gosh. A Love Your Melon beanie? Scrunchies? A two-faced party popper? If you'd like to win those 3 items, please do. Check out the giveaway on my Instagram page at Silly Snoring. Thanks! Hello everybody! It's your girl, Laur, here today on vlogmas number 3. I think it's number 3. That sounds good, yeah. And today I will be doing my first ever Sauce or Toss series video. Now you may be like, what the heck is that? So I've been inspired by Graveyard Girls' Does This Thing Really Work series, and I thought I would try making a similar series with my own twist. So I'm gonna try out this macrame from Five Below, because if you've ever checked out the price tag of one at any store like Target, they are somewhat expensive. I'm on Urban Outfitters right now, and like 89 bucks, 49, 39, and I think it'd be fun to try and make my own, especially when it's $5 and the box says that it is easy to learn. Is that true? I'm not sure. Will we sauce the macrame or will we toss it? We'll have to find out. With that being said, let's get this video rolling! By the way, I accidentally left my ring light at school, so we are relying on Mother Nature for some good lighting today. I'm sure she won't do us bogus. Why would she do that? That'd be so rude. Usually I say, frick the instructions, but today I think we're going to need them. So, here's what we get. We got some beads, yarn, string, and our wooden rod.
Merry Christmas, ladies.
Merry Christmas, Mr. Buble.
Are you ready to sing a little jingle bells?
Yes.
Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. All the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight.
Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what a lot of fun to ride and sing in a one-horse open sleigh.
Dashing through the snow,
We are dashing
in a one-horse open sleigh.
one-horse sleigh.
All the fields we go,
All the fields we go,
laughing all the way.
all the way.
Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. Oh, what fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in one horse open. Oh, what fun! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one horse open sleigh.
Hey everybody, I just ate dinner, and it's no longer daytime, but it's time to continue our video. Oh, that's right, I gotta grab a lighter so I can try fixing the bottom of this so it can go through the beads. So, be right back. I'm gonna try cinching the bottom of this, so we will see what happens. Haven't done it in a while since I was in ballet, so... Oh, the fan's not gonna help. But, oh, I'm so nervous. Right, everyone, I finished the macrame. I didn't get to do all of this part because I cut some of my strings a little short, so I decided to cut it here. What happened? Oh, oh, this is... I'm not about to hang this. Alright. Well... this needs some help. We're gonna get that. There's nothing I can do to help this right now. It's really not. Alright, everyone, we've got my macrame here, which looks absolutely nothing like this diagram because I screwed up a billion times. I just did not make the strings long enough, but but it would have had potential if I did make the strings long enough. So, gosh. Alright, everybody, this is the end of my video. Clearly, I failed completely. However, I would have to say that this product is a sauce. Because the only reason it would be a toss for me is because I'm not capable. I guess I could have been if I just cut the strings longer, but yeah, it's good quality. The only issue I had was getting the beads over the ends. I had to put Vaseline on the ends and like twist it, and it took forever to get each bead on, but it allowed me to understand why these things are so expensive. They are not easy to make. Clearly, I made mistakes like everywhere, not just with the length, but with knots. Like I used the wrong string. It just didn't turn out good, but this is still a sauce. I can't blame the kit for my mistakes. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you did enjoy it, please give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so you can stay tuned for the rest of Vlogmas. And don't forget to enter the giveaway on my Instagram. Thanks for watching. Bye! I mean, this is the size of it. You could make it really cute if you're artsy like that. I'm not good at this, so yeah, go check it out from 5 below if you'd like.